Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to learn 5 useful travel words and 1 common English structure through a simple travel story. The words are carry on, hitch, odds, drag, drowsy, and the structure is be occupied doing something. Let's get started. Imagine you're getting ready for a trip. The night before your flight, you are occupied packing your luggage. You say, I was occupied packing my luggage for the trip. Here, be occupied doing something means to be busy doing something. Now, it's time to go to the airport. You put your passport, laptop, and phone in your carry-on. A carry-on is a small bag that you take onto the airplane with you. Listen to these examples. I put my passport and laptop in my carry-on. My carry-on got lost when I was stuck in a crowded line. Now you're walking through the airport. Your suitcase is very heavy. You drag it across the floor. To drag means to pull something along the ground, usually with effort. For example, he dragged his heavy suitcase through the airport. Finally, you get to your gate. But there's a problem. Your flight is delayed because of a technical hitch. A hitch is a small problem, difficulty, or delay. For example, my flight was delayed due to a technical hitch. While waiting at the airport, you check the weather forecast. It says rain is coming tomorrow. You think, the odds are that it will rain tomorrow. Odds means the chances that something will happen. Here's another example. What are the odds of getting a seat on the next flight? After many hours of waiting and flying, you're exhausted. You start feeling drowsy. Drowsy means sleepy and wanting to sleep. For example, I felt drowsy after the overnight flight. So if your eyes are closing and you want to sleep, you're drowsy. Let's review. Carry on. A small bag you take onto the plane. Hitch. A small problem or delay. Odds. The chances that something will happen. Drag. To pull something with effort. Drowsy. Sleepy and wanting to sleep. Structure. Be occupied doing something. Example. I was occupied packing my luggage. Before you go, try making your own sentences using these words in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Happy learning and safe travels.